Hello everyone! Welcome to Cooking Zindagi. Today we are going to prepare a veggie snack which is spinach cheese balls. These little flavor packed balls are always a hit in any party. Let's see how to prepare this appetizer. First, take bread slices, chop them or tear them and place them in the blender. Now, grind them to fine powder in the blender. You can see here the breadcrumbs are ready. Now, I am going to transfer them to the mixing bowl. In a separate mixer jar, take few spinach leaves, add some salt to it and make a smooth paste without any water. Now, I am going to add the spinach paste in the mixing bowl and few spices, pepper powder, oregano, chili flakes. Mix them together to form a firm dough. You can also add 2 tablespoons of corn flour if you find difficulty in making the dough. Now, I am going to take here mozzarella cheese. You can take cheese of your choice and stuff this in the 1-inch spinach bowl. Spread some oil between the palms. Pinch a lemon-sized dough and make a small ball. Flatten the dough slightly. Now, stuff the cheese. To the cheese, you can also add some garlic pieces or chili flakes to enhance the flavor, which is completely optional. Now, seal the cheese completely in the spinach dough. You can see here how I am rolling out. Ensure there are no cracks while preparing the ball. The ball should be like this. Once all the spinach balls are ready, heat the oil and fry the spinach balls in the oil. Drop the spinach balls slowly in the oil and fry them in the oil with occasional stirring. Fry them until they turn golden brown in color. You can also bake in preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 15 to 20 minutes. Take them on a paper towel to remove excess oil. You can serve them with dip of your choice. You can serve them with tomato sauce, mayonnaise, or sweet honey mustard sauce. These can also be frozen and fried in oil or baked in oven when unexpected guests arrive. Yummy and delicious spinach cheese balls are ready to serve. Do try them and share your comments. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking Zindagi!